3, 2, 1. Scout, shut your pie hole. See, Scout, shut your pie hole. There's Baby George. Georgie. Baby George. He's not even looking at me chewing his bum. Say hi, Abba. Abba got a good chew going on. Yeah. Yeah, and there's little Georgie. Say hi, Georgie. Yeah, and there's little Ruby. Ruby's laying on her bed all nice and comfy. Huh, Roo? It's wet outside. See her standing right there. She's crying. Don't cry. She go, wee, wee. Don't cry, little Ruby. Why are you so sad? I miss Hannah. Don't cry. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. There we go. You say, get out. Get out, Vicky's house. You spending the night. You sleep in Vicky's bed. You watch DVD. You show Lucy TikTok on the iPad when it gets dark. You Get out Vicky's house. Michael, Vicky, go find something to do all by ourselves. Yeah. Take a break next Friday. Vicky's house closed. Here we go. Hello. Who's this? Mrs. O. She said to drink your water, Hannah Bueno. Drink your water. That's what she says. All right. Who do we got over here? It's a little Lou. What you doing, Push? What you doing, little Push? She's sleeping on your pillow. She goes, where's Hannah? Where's Hannah? She goes, wee, wee. What's wrong, little Lucy? I miss Hannah. Don't cry, little Lou. Yeah. Yeah, little Lou. Yeah. Massage bed goes, wee. What's wrong, massage bed? I miss Hannah. Don't cry. Yeah. Monkey go, what's wrong, monkey? I miss Hannah. Don't cry. Yeah. There, little Mickey go, wee. What's wrong, Mickey? I miss Hannah. Don't cry. Yeah. Bear go, wee. What's wrong, Bear? I miss Hannah. Don't cry. Yeah. You're Lion. Lion go, wee. What's wrong, Lion? I miss Hannah. Don't cry, Lion. She'll be back. Yeah. There, little unicorn. You go, wee. What's wrong, little unicorn? I miss Hannah. She needs a break next Friday. Then she come over. Don't cry, little unicorn. Yeah. Here I go. Wee. What's wrong, Vicky? Wee. I miss Hannah. What's wrong? It's okay, Vicky. Don't cry. Yeah. Your baby crying. Wee. What's wrong, baby? I miss Hannah. You'll see her soon. Yeah. All right. Let's go do. Whoops, I put this back on real quick. Lucy's scooting the blankets off the bed. She's a blanket kitty, me. Yeah, we gotta keep it covered here. All right. Okay, little Lou. Go find something to do by yourself. Here, you go hide with unicorn, Michael. Michael gonna go hide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. All right. See you in the kitchen? Me, not in the kitchen. Under the kitchen table? Nah. What about over here? Have you seen Michael, little Abigail? She goes, no, I haven't seen him. What about you, Georgie or Scout? Have you seen Hannah? Not Hannah. Have you seen Michael? She said, no, I haven't seen him. What about you, Rue? No, she's sleeping. She don't see him either. What about in the bathroom? No, not in the bathtub. Let's go see. Where can he be, Hannah? Let's see. There they are. I'll go hide with Unicorn. You can't.
All right.
Here you go. Careful.
There it is. Okay.
Go hide now.
All right. Take off. We have a 1,
Your elbow.
and 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6. 7 and 8. 9. 10 big ones. All crooked. All right now. Let's start in here since I'm already in here. Nope. Whoa, get up. All right then. We'll shoot up into the bathroom right quick. Nope, she's not in here. Well then, we'll look around the corner here. Oh, she's just being a little too obvious. Boom.
All right, now it's time for song.
All right, here it is.
All right, here we go. All right, here we go. You're all in the house. It's raining. Rain, rain, go away. Come back, it's another day. Daddy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, 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 go away. Come back again another day. Mommy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, 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 go away. Come back in another day. Brother wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Sister wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Baby wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. All of family wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Yay!
All right. Very good. Yeah.
See ya, see ya. Here we go. Fall forward. Fall back. Fall forward. Fall back. Fall forward. Fall back. Go. 4, 3, 2, 1. And we give you kisses. And a hug. Yeah! Love to be. Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1. Love you. See you later.